Hello everyone. So I've been playing with the new laser cutter. Been just doing some different kind of things and stuff, and I know the shadows are horrible, but yeah, trying some new things, seeing what cuts, what doesn't. These are all just 3mm birch plywood, believe it or not, and yeah, going on the Christmas ornament themes. But I'll show you my wonderful cutting corner. Got my little computer set up and everything, and the H2O. But right now I'm setting up to cut a little project that I'm going to give to a friend that owns a business here on the island, and yeah, so we're gonna set up here and get to cutting because I think it's like 2 hours of cutting, but yeah. Update in between, and then I have to take it all out, or take the board out, sand it probably pretty good. The laser burns a little bit. I have some upgrades coming for the head right there, but yeah, so we'll update you when we are cutting and then finishing up. Thanks for coming by, guys. Stay tuned for more. Alrighty, so there you go. All done. Machine just beeped. I'm gonna pull it out. It's still burning a little bit. You can see it. So I'm gonna give it a quick sanding. Okay, so I got the DeWalt orbital sander. I don't hook up a vacuum to it. It's too noisy anyway. I'm going with 80 grit to start off here, and then we'll work our way down. But just go over it, blast it off, and try and work on them high spots. Okay, so I don't want to take too much off of here. This is burnt in, but it's not much. I could easily sand these out. I just want to get the black off of it. And I'm going to 120 just real quick, just smooth it out like glass. And then we'll throw some clear coat polyurethane on there. And we'll pretty much let it dry. Okie dokie, so we got her all sanded down. I did 80 and then I did 220. It's nice and glassy and smooth. Air gun, my air tank, and we're gonna just get the. And what we're gonna put on there is some Minwax polyacrylic. It's just polyurethane, but it's water-based instead of oil-based. So it's a lot easier to clean up, and just a simple roller and go to town and let her dry. Normally use a pan with this, but there's so little in here I can literally, I'm just gonna use our lid here and dab some, get it wet. Dab some, get it wet. Basically how a printing press works.